Imagine your body as a bustling city. It needs a reliable delivery service to keep everything running smoothly. This service is your cardiovascular system. It is a vast network that connects every single part of you, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Its main job is to transport essential supplies and remove waste, ensuring every cell gets what it needs to function. Think of it as the roads, trucks, and cargo that keep your internal city alive and thriving. This system works tirelessly every second of every day, without you even having to think about it. The cardiovascular system is made up of three main parts. First, there is the heart, which is the powerful engine at the center of it all. It is a strong muscle that pumps continuously. Next are the blood vessels, which are like the highways, streets, and tiny alleyways of your body. These tubes carry the blood everywhere it needs to go. Finally, there is the blood itself. The blood is the precious cargo, filled with everything your body's cells need to survive and do their jobs. Together, these three components, the heart, blood vessels, and blood, form a closed loop of transportation that is absolutely vital for life. Let's look closer at these parts. The heart is not just one pump, but two pumps working side by side. One pump sends blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen, and the other sends that oxygen-rich blood out to the rest of the body. The blood vessels are not all the same. Arteries are the large highways that carry blood away from the heart. Veins are the roads that bring blood back to the heart. And capillaries are the tiny, narrow side streets that connect arteries and veins, allowing for the delivery and pickup of goods at the cellular level. This intricate design ensures efficient and complete coverage for the entire body. This system is much more than a simple delivery route. It is a dynamic, responsive network that adjusts to your body's changing needs. When you run, it speeds up to deliver more oxygen to your muscles. When you are cold, it helps conserve heat to keep your core temperature stable. When you are fighting an infection, it transports white blood cells to the site of the battle. Understanding this system is the first step toward appreciating the incredible machine that is the human body and learning how to take good care of it for a long, healthy life. It is the silent, constant workhorse that powers your very existence. Sometimes this finely tuned system can run into problems. One common issue is hypertension, or high blood pressure. This happens when the force of the blood pushing against the artery walls is consistently too high. The main causes are often related to lifestyle, like a diet high in salt, lack of exercise, or stress, though genetics can also play a role. Many people with hypertension have no symptoms, which is why it is called the silent killer. When symptoms do appear, they might include headaches or dizziness. Treatment usually involves simple changes like eating healthier, exercising more, and sometimes taking medication prescribed by a doctor to help relax the blood vessels. Another serious condition is coronary artery disease. This occurs when the arteries that supply blood directly to the heart muscle become narrowed or blocked. The cause is usually a buildup of a fatty substance called plaque inside the arteries. This can be caused by high cholesterol, smoking, and high blood pressure. A key symptom is chest pain, often called angina, especially during physical activity. If a plaque breaks and a clot forms, it can completely block the artery, causing a heart attack. Treatments include lifestyle changes, medications to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, and sometimes procedures like placing a stent to hold the artery open. Heart failure is a condition that sounds scary, but it does not mean the heart has stopped working. Instead, it means the heart muscle has become too weak to pump blood as efficiently as it should. This can be caused by long-term high blood pressure or damage from a previous heart attack. Key symptoms include shortness of breath, feeling very tired, and swelling in the legs and ankles because fluid is not being moved properly. Treatment focuses on managing symptoms and slowing the disease's progression. This often includes medications that help the heart pump better, reduce fluid buildup, and lower blood pressure alongside a low-salt diet. Finally, there are arrhythmias and stroke. An arrhythmia is an irregular heartbeat, where the heart beats too fast, too slow, or with an uneven rhythm. This can be caused by electrical signal problems in the heart. Symptoms can feel like a fluttering in the chest or a racing heartbeat. A stroke is what happens when blood flow to the brain is cut off, either by a clot, which is called an ischemic stroke, or a burst blood vessel, which is a hemorrhagic stroke. This starves brain cells of oxygen. Symptoms appear suddenly and can include numbness in the face or limbs, confusion, and trouble speaking. Both conditions require immediate medical attention. Keeping your cardiovascular system in good shape is one of the most important things you can do for your overall health. This system is your body's lifeline, responsible for nourishing every single cell. When it works well, you feel energetic, think clearly, and can fight off illness more effectively. A healthy heart and clear blood vessels mean your muscles get the oxygen they need for activity, your brain gets the fuel it needs to function, and your organs can perform their jobs without strain. It is the foundation upon which your entire physical well-being is built, influencing everything from your energy levels to your lifespan. The good news is that you have a lot of control over the health of your cardiovascular system. Simple, positive lifestyle choices can make a huge difference. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting salt and unhealthy fats helps keep your arteries clear and your blood pressure in a healthy range. Regular physical activity, like brisk walking or cycling, strengthens your heart muscle, making it a more efficient pump. Even small changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, add up over time to create a stronger, more resilient cardiovascular system. Avoiding harmful habits is just as crucial as adopting healthy ones. Smoking is one of the most damaging things you can do to your heart and blood vessels. It damages the lining of the arteries, raises blood pressure, and makes your blood more likely to clot. Quitting smoking is a powerful step toward better cardiovascular health. Similarly, managing stress through techniques like mindfulness, hobbies, or spending time in nature can help lower your blood pressure and reduce the strain on your heart. These protective measures are investments in your long-term health and quality of life. In summary, your cardiovascular system is an incredible network that works silently to keep you alive and well. From the powerful beat of your heart to the tiniest capillary, every part has a vital role. By understanding how it works and the common issues that can arise, you are empowered to take proactive steps to protect it. Making heart-healthy choices every day is not about restriction. It is about celebrating your body and giving it the care it deserves. A healthy heart is the key to a longer, more vibrant life, allowing you to enjoy every moment to the fullest.